Hello everyone, welcome in my channel how to do it. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you tutorial 1 for the beginners. A welcome screen. You can see here you have your recent items and create new one like ActionScript 3.0 here for the desktops and the ActionScript 3.0 class, and the introductions and documentation is also there, and also some where we have some templates like advertising here for the Androids, here for iOS. These are the templates given by Adobe. So you can start. Okay, these are the templates. There is the predefined templates given by Adobe. If you want to do not want to show again this Animate your welcome screen, click this. Don't do this. Learn how to configure Animate CC document. It's very easy to learn how to configure multiple documents and their document properties. So first of all, I would like to share something about the document properties. So first of all, open and create a new project, ActionScript 3.0, and this is the document with we have white background there, and the properties also there in the right panel you can see, and the publish option is there, and the properties there, SW of history. So lots of properties are there, and those properties are distributed in the tabs. Okay, so if you want to increase the width and the height, you can scroll the arrow, and if you left it, then decreases the width and the height, and if you scroll in the right direction, then increase the height and the width of the document. Okay, also you can change by putting some numbers when you double click on the text box icon. Scale content by using this symbol. If you check this checkbox, it means you can increase one, then respectively other is increase and decrease. Advanced settings of the document is also there. When we click on the advanced settings button, if you increase the width and the height of the document, there are mentioned units as also there. So default is in the pixels. If you can change it, then in the inches, as well as if you want to design and animate a big document. Okay, so these are the options: scale, stage size, and action is also there. When we click on it, then is if you want to increase the size, the top right corner, middle options, and the right options is there. Stage color is also, you can change it. Frame size is actually I will cover in later session, because frame size is considered in the timeline sections, so I will discuss in later session. Okay, so make it you also set the default document by using make default. Okay, so these are the options, and also the publish action is discussed in the later session. How to work with the multiple documents. Multiple document, it means to set of documents you want to use in the Animate CC, like the Photoshops. You have to multiple pictures in the multiple documents. So how to use it multiple documents? If you want to see your currently document, then go to the Windows, and the currently working document is signed with the sign checkbox, signed marks. So create a new document. So first document is have with the rectangle with the green background, and you want to create, you also create the second document. the first document have a rectangle and the second document with the pinkish backgrounds. Okay, also you can dock and individual documents if you pin out the document, and also set with the same document tabs. Okay, dock with the same document tabs. So just put the document in the document bar and left it. So this is the currently working document with the star options, and there is nothing to happen, so star is nothing not seen in the document. Thank you very much.